And the one on the right was the first one we took, which we described just before this, and the one on the left is the one we just immediately got. Pulled just upstream of the chip seal test section, which is 01B350. And we've got about 7.25 inches, 7.3 inches of asphalt concrete overall. Of that, about 1.2 is the wearing layer, or actually about 1.3 is the wearing layer. Binder layer is about 2.8 inches thick, and then the remainder of it is about 3.1 inches of asphalt concrete base, which is just a coarse hot mix. Augering on this hole, so we'll stop and go back over there and have a look at that. A little later on we'll be coring one more hole, and then we'll finish the videos of all the test sections here for these SPS3 sites. Just where we took that last core that I just showed. And according to the plans, the first 5 inches or so is a soil aggregate mixture, which is normally termed as a subbase here for us, but it's the layer underneath the asphalt concrete base. A lot of the aggregate is over there near where the hole was drilled, but there are pieces of aggregate mixed in with predominantly sand. And looking on down at the material that came out from the hole, you can see that we have a color change after about a foot of material, where we get into what the plans call for a different classification of a soil aggregate. And then we get into the subgrade, which is the reddish clay sand over there. I'm going to get a handful of it just to show a little bit closer on the camera. Describing, and it's a clay sand primarily. It's got a lot of fines in it, but predominantly sand grains. Same thing that we saw the last time we were out here on this section. The reason these pine trees grow so well around here. Shooting a little silent movie there. We'll start over again. We've got about 7.25 inches of asphalt in this core, which is up from the slurry seal section. We've got about 1 inch of the wearing layer, which is on the left side that you can see, a little less than 3 inches of the binder, a little more than 3 inches of the base layer. Total of about 7, I'm calling it 7.3 inches. And what I was pointing at before, which you can see here on the bottom of this core as well as the other